Hello guys, it is your girl Najamli and welcome to another session with me of general 2-card reading. And I'm in a different area right now. And anyways, my locks are free right now and we're waiting for the snow. Anyways, I hope you guys had a great day. And today I'm using my Rider Weights. They've been calling me today, so I'm going to use it. And what else? Yeah, that's about it. So let me just, it's not about it, but let me just start shuffling and clearing the energy. Let's set our intentions. So take a deep breath in. And I call upon my guides. I call upon my higher self. I create a sacred circle around me, around this whole space that we are in. And, yeah. So today, I'm just chilling on the ground and felt like doing it this way tonight. And this reading is for Thursday. Where are we at today? I'm so off on the dates. Please forgive me, guys. 18th was Monday. 19th was Tuesday. 20th today is Wednesday. This is for the 21st. Thursday, February 21st, 2019. As I said, like, my days are rolling into each other. All right, real quick. Click the link below, guys. Not only to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you are here for the first time, welcome, welcome. I do hope for you to stay longer, so subscribe. I do this Monday to Friday, doing a general 2-card reading, but I do offer a personal readings, intuitive readings. I utilize my third eye mostly. The cards are just another part of the frequency. And so all you have to do is just click the link below and schedule your personal intuitive reading with me, which is I offer 55-minute, 45-minute, and 25-minute readings, and these are full-on readings, okay? Yeah, these cards are popping. I'm just gonna let them pop. I don't know. Anyway, so what else? I have a workshop coming up I'm super excited about, and this is called How to Meditate Simple. It is a meditation workshop with me, and I'm going to be revealing some insights and process of what the masters around the globe have been utilizing and doing to reach clarity, peace, enlightenment, and so much more, and sharing it and making it a better place in the world. And since I've been practicing meditation and really coming in to my own, it's really been helpful. I mean, even the simplest, we've been doing Tuesdays, 3-minute Tuesdays, which is a lunchtime meditation. You should join me. It's on live on Instagram at Najamli. And yeah, you should definitely join me. 12:30 p.m. Eastern time at lunch. And we do a 3 minutes, just 3 minutes of beautiful relaxation, meditation, restoration type of thing. And yeah, so join me there. So click the link below to sign up for the meditation workshop. The workshop is going to be February 28th, which is next week, at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. I'm super excited about it. You should too. This is going to be fantastic because we're going to meditate together live with me. So one-time live workshop I'm doing. on this, so you have to be there, okay? So click the link to learn more about it and register today. Save your seat because spots are really filling, and also the space I'm using is limited, so you want to get your spot. All right, let's get into this. I'm going to cut the cards on my knee. Yep, because your girl can do that. And cutting the cards, cutting the cards. All right, one more time. And this is a reading for Thursday, February 21st, 2019. Please give me the words, the wisdom, the insight, and however to deliver the message you have. All right, here we go. Sorry, Spirit says one more time. So, do it. I'm telling you, cards are falling out. Alright. Okay, so it's a Two of Pentacles. Ooh, and we have card number 20, the Judgment card. Alright, let's look at this. And then a few other cards flipped out. I just use them for reference and see what we are being told. We just had the snow moon, this really big moon, yesterday, which is pretty cool. So for Thursday, February 21st, alright, so this is showing me rough seas ahead, right? Look at the sea. Up and down, turbulence a little bit, just a little bit of turbulence. And it's almost like a decision factor to me. A decision factor of which direction to go or what project to do, or the next step in your life to make. But it's rough going into it. It's almost like that's what's showing me. Rough going into it. So you want to make a wise decision. Really look at what you're doing. Really look at what you're doing. You're going to have to put some effort into planning out and thinking things through and carefully, what for a project or who you bringing on or whatever you're doing. But make a really good decision on which direction. There's emotions involved, obviously. So a lot of emotions. So step back a bit so you have clarity. Step back so that you can actually see the whole picture before diving in. And that part of that is the Judgment card. And so I'm looking at this with this. Okay, first card, second card. And they're both dealing with the element of water energy, right? These are people, these are beings at sea, but these are dead beings at sea or souls at sea. So this shows me more about a spiritual platform on this. And this is on the inside. And so you have the angel, right? Angel of judgment, blowing the horn. And everyone looking up. It's almost like a deciding factor, right? More about your spiritual side of your decision making with this. So listening within, that's where you got to go first, is within, in order to know what to do on the next step on the outside, right? So listening, going into your higher self, going in and seeking the advice, direction needed, and really check, right? You don't want to be a part of something if it's not going to be in great fulfillment for you, right? So you want to check with your higher self, your inner self first. Map out things properly. Don't just utilize emotion, right? But I want you to really look with a clear view. So you have to step into spirit to see the clear view. Does that make sense? All right. That is my reading for today. Yeah, that's my reading for today. Really look within. Look within yourself in order to know the best outcome that you want to have, okay? Everything's within. All the answers are within you. All right? It's one thing to seek outside advice or information, but also I want you to tap into your higher self. All right, guys? All right, that's my reading for today. If you're interested in a full-on reading with me, do not hesitate. Click that link below, and I would love to do a reading with you. I offer 55-minute, 45-minute, and 25-minute readings. Pick your choice, and we can get on. It'll be a full reading. And so, yeah, I look forward to seeing you at my workshop as well. This is February 28th, so get your seat right now, right after this. Love you guys. See you back in 2-2s.